Hi guys. Today I'm gonna play MM2. Wait. Just wait a little bit. Just gonna add background music. Wait. Gonna add yeah. Whoa, what is that avatar? Look at the legs. It's actually good, but not not like good but funny. Look at this one. I don't know why the glasses are like bad way, but like it's good actually. Yeah. I think I have pro players. Is this what? No, look at the way it moves. Whoa. Wait, yo. It's looking at me. Yo, it's looking at me. What the fuck? What the fuck? I love my BF, best friend or boyfriend. Yo. Are they teaming? No, are the two girls maybe teaming already? So yeah, the aim is super good. Yay! Just gonna eat a victory cookie. What the fuck? Let me just feed you. Hum. Yo. Hum. Yeah. Nom. Ice cream. Look at this ice cream. Nom. Wait, what the fuck? I just joined. What? Damn. I should just kill him secretly and then like reveal myself slowly. You know? Wait, it's like easy. But that way yeah. Don't know if anybody saw me. Wait, what? No. Yeah, I just killed. I'm gonna change the music up, but I'm just gonna. What the? Whoa. I know you're there. Let me just. Whoa. Let me just, yeah. Whoa, bismillah. Wait, why am I bald? No, I'm bald. Love. Oh, GG. Like, actually, why did I turn bald? No. Why did I turn? Wait, what the fuck? Look at my mouth. Yo, GG. Ooh. Wait, what the fuck? Just gonna go into hiding for a bit, and then like, there's a murderer, and cause just one person, I'll just come out. I think they will kill me. What the fuck? Whoa. No. Yo, get out of the way. And she's literally jumped. What the? Get out of the way. No, like actually. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Innocent. Girly, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Girly, get out of the way, you dumbass. No, get out of the way. Get out. I said get out of the way. I don't care if they kill you. I don't care because you're just in the way. Are they gonna get in the way again? Get out of the way. No. What is this ugly? What is this freaking ugly aim? Why did I just make that sound? I just embarrassed myself. OMG. I'm gonna change the no. I'm doing hype in order. What the f? Yeah. Wait, is this ASMR? Okay. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm just gonna do wait, GG. Yeah, good game. Yay. Innocent girl and innocent, wow. No, they're teaming. No. They're just friends, besties, yeah. Not teaming, stop killing everyone. But I don't really understand the language since I'm not. I'm an Arabic speaker, native thingy Arabic. I know Arabic, but I don't really know. But I think I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. No, like actually. I'm scared. Please. Shoot. No. I think the merger is gonna come. I don't know why, but I think they're gonna come. I'm scared. I have to be brave. Be brave. Whoa. No. What the fuck? لا. Wait. I'm gonna do a funny one. Huh? Wait, should I show you my funny joke in a meme, or I did a joke on laptop, and like, yeah, we recorded something. It's so funny, like actually I said La Booba something. I remember. I think I'm gonna do that. Wait, I forgot I was sharing for a sec. I downloaded these songs anyway, so yeah. Yeah, they're actually teaming. They're teaming. No, they're teaming. They're teaming. I knew it. I knew they were teaming. I knew it. I freaking knew it. I knew it. Fuck them. Fudge. Yeah. I agree with this song. Whoa. What was that? Guitar. You're bald. Voila. Wow. Hello. Whoa. Voila. Whoa. Wow. Shamora farming. Like, look at that avatar. Like, I don't really know, like, it's so aesthetic or whatever. I don't know why. Guess I'm an old mom. Why did I stutter? Well, you're equipping my weapons. Wow, sunset. I don't know, blue? Voila. Whoa. Wow. So now. Oh, I forgot. I'm just gonna do Mr. Key, no. So I think I don't do they. Why do they pay Robux for these anyways? Lovely. Okay. A gun. A gun. Okay. Clown. Lovely and clown. Really cool. Okay. So, lovely and clown. Wow. Okay. So, I'll just trade everything since I don't really care. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they actually took it. Like, yeah. So yeah. Yay. Do we have other teamers or am I just hallucinating? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, same map, same role? Am I tweaking? No, I'm actually tweaking. I'm scared. I'm more paranoid because, yeah. I forgot about the song. I'm gonna lock in. Wait, what the fuck? So sad. No. What is this freaking game? Okay, I'm gonna try the shift lock. I know, like, it was scared. Locking in. I'm scared and I don't want to go out of hiding. But if I'm just gonna be brave, and I know, like, whenever I know she's coming here. I know it. Since she knows she hasn't checked this spot. No, I'm actually. What the fuck? Just gonna go out of hiding. And she's gonna jump scare me. You wanna know it? I know it. Yeah. She's coming at me. Get away. No, stream. What the Yay. GG. Yay. So happy. Teddy bear. But teddy bear. Hug you. Oh. Hug. I'm sorry. I don't have any items left. Anyway, what does she have? No, like, actually. Okay, most of them are my weapons. But, like, okay. I don't have anything. Nothing. What? Why do I keep getting sheriff? Am I just too skilled? Just okay. I love this song. I'm so effed up. Why? Well, I know you know. They're probably thinking like, what? How? Like, I don't know why I get share. I think it's because of the song. I'm so fucked up. Now, gonna die right now. Coming off this earth. It's my birth. My legs hurt me bad, make me cry. I'm so sad. Take my legs hurt me bad, make me cry. I'm so sad. Do it because she was AFK. 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 And it was taking so long. I know it, I know it, 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 know it. Sit. So I'm just gonna do research facility. No, no, come here. I don't want. Yay. No, no. Whoa. Nothing's going on this side. Yay, I'm innocent. Oh, I'm innocent. Yay or no? Yay, I'm innocent. Yay. Who is the murderer? Not this one. Oh, yay, it's me, Faith. I love her. I know she's not gonna team because of the weapons. Her outfit like literally gives I hate teaming. Yeah. I'm gonna change my fits. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do Fruit Squad Faith. Respawn real quick. Yeah. Yay. I'm gonna show that like me, like it's actually me, not like some random hoe. Yeah, like look. I'm gonna do. Wait, what the fudge? Switch avatar, Fruit Squad. Wait, I'm at 2%. What the fudge? Me. Yo. Yay. No, I'm gonna die. What?
يلا
خلي ذي.
أنا هذا شيء
ده نظيف.
زين.
ليه؟
هذا
كمان